Now there's a happy face, as long as it's not in your rearview mirror. This is a 66 recreation, a CAV. The 66 Ford GT. GT40. And as I'm sure most of you know, the 40 stands for 40 inches. So the top of this car is 40 inches from the ground. That is low. It's got 15-inch BRM wheels, Avon tires. It's got Willwood binders on it. True knockoffs. And this car's never been on the track. It's certainly track capable. Brakes are absolutely fantastic. Balance on them set up really well. CAV has become a really respected player in these cars. They produce their own chassis, monocoque, from non-ferrous stainless steel. It's non-magnetic, laser cut. The welds are fantastic on it. And their tub gives the largest inside cockpit dimension, if you will. It's reported to fit up to a 6'4" high individual. Seats are actual leather, not vinyl, with the ventilation grommets. Instrumentation is German VDO. Air conditioning is ice cold, which is really nice. There's fuel cells in the side pods, both sides, one on each side. And the way they've done this, there is a switch, tank switch on the dash, toggle, and they have complete separate systems. Fuel pumps for each side. You can switch on the fly. A fuel level, the instrument changes volume, and as you can see, you've got complete separate fuel systems for each tank, and that's pretty nice. Has a ZF 5-speed BRT transmission. It's a very desirable, expensive tranny. The synchros in it are really nice. It weeps a little bit of oil, as racing trannies do. It's a sweet little unit. Gearing is nice for the car. It's very relaxed on the highway. Very capable of extremely high speeds. And acceleration is quite invigorating. The pipes are, of course, lovely. Very nice ceramic coating on them. Specs, shocks, coilovers, front and rear. They're adjustable, ride height and dampening. Car has a parking brake along with a Willwood system. That's a nice addition. The CAV actually makes their own uprights. These aluminum knuckles. They're really nice pieces. Of course, the Keith Craft 347 engine. They've got different stages of these. This is the ultimate street one. 750 pumper, AFR heads. Keith won't release their custom proprietary camshaft specs. It's reported to be the 470 horse, 440 torque range. Of course, MSD handling the ignition. The carburetion's a 750. It's the Holley quick fuel. The exhaust is nicely done. Heat shield above the muffler can, and of course active vents. And when we did the inner and outer joints, we repacked the joints as well. the top latches on this rear hatch, if you will, do function, as well as the side catches. I've been around some of these where that wasn't the case. Gurney bubbles typically not necessary on this car, since the interior is a touch larger, accommodating the taller drivers. Lines are just great on the car. And the jams, all the tolerances on it, everything fits. There's very little road rash on the car. I don't know if there's even any on the glass. And the Lexan is perfect. It's got actual Talbot mirrors on it, which are cool. See so many reproductions of them nowadays. And yes, you do fill the tanks from each side. There is a clear bra on the front of this, which has no doubt helped quite a bit. I can see two tiny little chips in the paint. Kind of look like dust, but I believe they are chip. Very small. Get the brush touch. It's got Hella H4 lights in it. Car is a real hoot to drive. It rides well, and it's not a harsh bang around kind of car. You can actually drive it on the street and have fun with it and hold a conversation, and when you get into it, it does demand your attention. It's very athletic, if you will.